Hi friends, welcome to 13th October's Superfast market summary. I will quickly give a curated roundup of top listed Indian companies. I've grouped them by sentiment and kept each summary short with simple English. Section 1. Covering all companies with a positive sentiment. HCL Tech as on October 13, 2025. Revenue beat in the second quarter Q2 thanks to strong engineering services and large deal wins. Guidance maintained, bookings improved, and regional growth broadened. Overall tone constructive despite flat profit. Positive. Waaree Renewable Technologies as on October 13, 2025. Q2 profit and revenue hit record highs on robust project execution, with margins improving. Stock jumped, nearing its 52-week high, signaling strong investor confidence in clean energy growth. Positive. BPCL as on October 13, 2025. Formed an alliance with Reliance BP Mobility to push city gas and compressed natural gas (CNG) distribution. The partnership targets a gas-based economy and better last-mile reach. Market read it as growth accretive. Positive. Sona BLW Precision Forgings as on October 13, 2025. Teamed up with Germany's Neura Robotics to co-develop advanced robotics and humanoids. Positions the auto component maker in a high-growth tech niche with long-run optionality. Positive. Advait Energy Transitions as on October 13, 2025. Subsidiary signed an MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, with the Gujarat government for 2 projects totaling 1,450 crore, supporting regional clean energy investments. Signals expansion pipeline strength. Positive. KFin Technologies as on October 13, 2025. Got a rare double upgrade from Citi citing strong mutual fund flows and improving primary market sentiment. Price target raised. Stock rallied on the call. Positive. Tata Investment Corporation as on October 13, 2025. Shares rose sharply among the day's gainers, aided by buoyant holding company sentiment and rotational buying in broader markets. Positive. CE Infosystems Map My India as on October 13, 2025. Shares climbed after the railways showcased Mapple's features and indicated an agreement may follow. Builds visibility for platform adoption. Positive. UTI AMC at the Sun Life AMC HDFC as on October 13, 2025. Asset management stocks advanced up to 4% on constructive flows and sentiment. Broker upgrades supported the move. Positive. BSE MCX Motilal Oswal Financial as on October 13, 2025. Capital market plays gained up to 3% amid brisk volumes and brokerage optimism, riding on active primary and secondary markets. Positive. L&T Finance as on October 13, 2025. Financials saw buying interest. L&T Finance gained over 2.5% as risk appetite improved in select lenders. Dr. Lal Pathlabs as on October 13, 2025. Diagnostic stock firmed up with defensives attracting bids. Investors look through near-term noise to steady demand. Positive. Shipping Corporation of India as on October 13, 2025. Stock advanced over 2.5% alongside other movers. Shipping sentiment stayed firm with logistics activity healthy. Positive. Torrent Power as on October 13, 2025. Power names drew buyers. Torrent rose smartly on expectations of steady cash flows and capex discipline. Positive. Fortis Healthcare as on October 13, 2025. Regulatory green light for IHH's long-pending takeover step lifted confidence. CGHS rate reset is another tailwind for hospital revenues. Stock had rallied on these catalysts. Positive. Adani Power as on October 13, 2025. Featured among notable gainers as investors rotated into select utilities. Sentiment constructive on earnings visibility. Positive. Himadri Specialty Chemical as on October 13, 2025. Chemical stock gained more than 2.5% amid buying in select midcaps. Battery and specialty materials theme aided interest. Positive. Force Motors as on October 13, 2025. Auto small cap advanced over 2.5% with festive season optimism and product cycle tailwinds. Positive. Section 2. Covering all companies with a negative sentiment. BLS International as on October 13, 2025. Stock plunged to a 52-week low after the Ministry of External Affairs barred it from bidding for new Indian mission tenders for 2 years. News severely dented outlook. Negative. Reliance Power as on October 13, 2025. Shares fell after the arrest of its CFO, Chief Financial Officer. The company disclosed the executive's resignation. Heightened uncertainty kept pressure on the stock. Negative. Avenue Supermarts Mart as on October 13, 2025. Stock declined after Q2 results showed modest profit growth but concerns on expenses and slower same-store growth. Brokerages trimmed near-term optimism. Negative. Reddington as on October 13, 2025. Resumed its losing streak, reflecting profit-taking and sector softness. Traders preferred to stay cautious after the recent run-up. Negative. Vodafone Idea as on October 13, 2025. Shares slid after the Supreme Court again deferred hearing on adjusted gross revenue dues. Overhang on liabilities weighed on sentiment. Negative. Tata Communications as on October 13, 2025. Dropped on profit booking after sharp prior gains. Traders locked in profits amid broader market weakness. Negative. NetWeb Technologies as on October 13, 2025. Extended decline as investors booked profits following a strong prior month. Valuation caution kept buyers tentative. Negative. Siemens as on October 13, 2025. Featured among notable losers in a weak session. Sector rotation and global risk cues pressured capital goods names intraday. Negative. Tata Motors as on October 13, 2025. Stock eased during a risk-off day as autos underperformed. Traders trimmed exposure awaiting fresh catalysts. Negative. Adani Enterprises as on October 13, 2025. In focus after notices to executives in a customs-related matter. Overhang kept tone cautious despite no immediate financial impact disclosed. Negative. Signature Global as on October 13, 2025. Reported weaker Q2 pre-sales and area sold, even as collections stayed steady. Soft operating metrics weighed on sentiment. Negative.